I'm here with longtime supporter of the National Medical Association and certainly partner in many of our health initiatives, particularly around dairy. I'm here with Karen Kafer. Hi, Karen.
Hi there. It's great to be here with you. Thank you.
Great for you to be with the National Medical Association once again. Could you give us your title and just a snippet about our partnership?
Okay. Karen Kafer, and I'm Vice President of Health Partnerships with the National Dairy Council, and we're pleased to be a longtime supporter of or partner with the National Medical Association on really important issues like the child nutrition and the importance of helping African Americans and all Americans meet the dietary guidelines for food and nutrition.
You know, we know that you are a valued partner of the National Medical Association. Can you tell us what our partnership has meant even to your organization?
Well, it's been important to helping make a difference in the health of African Americans through meeting the dietary guidelines, including recommendations for 3 servings of dairy a day, and also addressing the issue of lactose intolerance and working with the National Medical Association to determine strategies to enable people to get the nutrient benefits of dairy without and the long-term health benefits as well.
How can we find out more, particularly our patients who are going to be looking at this clip, how can they find out more about the myths and mythbusters that are associated with dairy and African Americans? What is the website and where would you send them to?
Oh, great question. The nationaldairycouncil.org or also thedairyreport.com is our blog site. And of course, we link to the National Medical Association website at nma.org too.
Wonderful. We are here again with longtime supporter Karen Kafer from the National Dairy Association. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.